Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial we are going to look at the CalcEdit in DevExpress. This is pretty much useful for any calculation, for money, for pretty much everything. Let's go our CalcEdit and move over our form. And beside this one I would like to add a simple button also. I will tell you why I will add it. Let's maybe resize it something like this. Yes. And let's name this one. We'll say btn calculate. And now let's change the text. I will say calculate. And as for this one, we say CalcEdit. We don't need to put any like 1 or 2. Let's CalcEdit. Let's say digit or number. Now I just want to change appearance focus back color whenever our CalcEdit is focused. I will go all properties and then appearance focused. Late June. And now and for this one I can add an image, but I can let's write calc, maybe from here, calc, don't have smaller one maybe. Maybe add this color red. That's this one, but I want to get like a 16 pixel. Maybe something like this is better. Let's run it. As you see that when we press here, it is calculator. We can make all our calculation is here. You see that? And now in this one we can change the mask of our calculation. Let's say if you want to add any number with the precisions, we come here and we change the mask. Let's click this one. As you see that from here, like a real number with separator, like every three digits. And also I want to put like 2 digits as a precisions. Let's double click this one. And now here, this is our number. Is if we write from expression only n letter, it will be like this. And I want to put a precisions, like I will say 2. As you see, it put precision like as 2. I say create. And okay. And let's run it. As you see that we have a precision like a 2 number. But the thing is that whenever I leave this one, you see it change, like separator is disappearing. So in order to prevent this one also, we go to our change mask, then we just select use mask as display format. I click this one, okay. Let's run it. And let's say any number and with precision. As you see that whenever I focus on my button, it doesn't change separator. So this is for this one. And next we can use for the currency, for the money. Let's click here and change the mask. And now here we have a currency. Since the language of computer is Turkish, it shows me like a Turkish lira. Let's first, okay, and let's see how it is functioning. As you see that, even there's a precision too. Next, we want to change our mask into United States, like as a dollar. Say change, And then from the culture name, I write United States, and the first one I choose it. It will become a dollar. And let's run it. And let's write something. As you see that, it is dollar. And let's, whenever even I unfocus on my CalcEdit, it just doesn't destroy the separator. This is like this. You can make all calculation with the money, with all these things. Let's say, that's something like this maybe. You see, it's pretty much useful. Thanks for watching my videos, guys. See you next